Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve insecure direct object reference challenge in this video. And to access the challenge, click on this button, Access the Lab. This challenge is part of access control category, and difficulty for this challenge is Apprentice. Challenge description is given as this lab stores user chat logs directly on the server's file system and retrieves them using static URL. Solve the lab by finding the password for the user Carlos and logging into their account. So in this challenge, we need to exploit IDOR and we need to find out the password value of Carlos account. So this is the challenge page. So insecure direct object reference is one of the common issue in broken access control category. In this challenge page, we can see home, my account, and live chat functionality. So currently we don't have any login credential. So let's click on live chat. So I'm using Burpsuit embedded Chromium browser so that I can capture request in Burpsuit. So we need to analyze the captured request and response. So let's click on this live chat option. And here if we notice, this is the endpoint. Now in the input field, let's provide anything and click on send button. So there is no request for this particular chat functionality, but we can notice like in the WebSocket history, we can notice this request having the chat messages and all. And if we go to challenge description, it is mentioned like this lab stores chat logs directly on the server's file system. And if we notice here, and there is a button for view transcript. So if we click on view transcript, it will download a page, a file basically, 2.txt. So if we go to proxy history, so we can notice the request related to that view transcript. So this was the message in the chat window, and we are able to download this particular file. And if we check the content of this file, it is showing the chat message. Now, if we send this particular request and repeater, so basically in IDOR attack, we need to perform attack for object references. So here we can notice 2.txt. So basically this is one of kind of object reference. Here a text file is present and for current chat, the ID is 2. So if we click on send button, it will generate a response here. Now we can assume like there will be a different text file for a different value. So we can manually change this particular value to 1 and click on send button. Or no, we can use intruder tool as well to perform the attack to find out different text file. So for value 1, if we notice the chat, we can notice password value present in this chat. So if we copy this particular password value, so in this challenge, we need to log in as Carlos. So we can assume like this chat is for the Carlos account because we can't see the name here. So let's go to login page. Click on my account to go to login page. Then provide Carlos as username and paste the password value which we got in the response after manipulating the ID value. So click on currently status is not solved. So if we click on login button, we can notice user is logged in successfully and challenge is also solved. So by performing IDOR attack in this object reference, we are able to retrieve the password from the previous chat and we are able to log in using the Carlos account. So challenge solved. Thank you.